In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight assemblies on this Volkswagen Tiguan. These are going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Up top, we're going to take these screws out, use a T25 socket. We're going to take these bolts out. We're going to use a T30 socket. Now this piece is going to be loose, but we're not going to take that out completely. Now down here, you're going to need a longer extension with the T30 socket. And take that bolt out. And you're going to use a magnet. Grab that bolt, take that out. And there's a bolt back here, same T30 socket. And I'm just going to use a pick just to release the connector. Just get under the tab. And you're just trying to get underneath there. Just under there with a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Now grab the light. Just going to push it in a little bit. Lift up. And just twist it. It comes right out. On the back of the headlight, we're going to show you how to replace the bulbs. Sometimes these come with test bulbs, and it's a good idea to replace them. Just twist this cap to the left. And that pops off. You can grab the bulb inside. Looks like a little credit card. Just grab that, twist that to the left. Here's the bulb. Just grab the bulb. Make sure you don't touch the glass with your fingers. And that pops right out. This is going to be an H7 bulb. You would just line that up. There's a little tab right there. You want to make sure you line that up. And inside the assembly, put that in, twist it to the right so it locks in. Take the cover, lock the cover down, twist that to the right. Then over here, take this cap off, just pop that off. And the high beam is going to be right here. I'm just going to grab that right there, twist it to the left. That'll pop out right there. This is a H15 bulb. I'm going to put it in the same way it came out. Again, don't touch the glass with your hands. Twist it to the right, lock it in place. And down below there's another bulb. There's a little bracket right here. You just pop that up. And then just grab that, pull that out. There is a wire retainer right there. You might need a pick just to pop that out so that you can get the bulb out. Just grab the bulb, pull that out. This is a 194 bulb. Line this up. You want to push that in. And before we put this one back, there is one more bulb. You can see the little flat section right there. You want to grab that, twist that to the left, and that pulls out. This is the directional bulb. Push down, twist to the left. There's the bulb. This bulb is a PY21W bulb. And we're going to slide that in place. Twist it to the right. And we can put this one back in first. Watch out for the other wires. Push that in, twist that to the right. That will lock in place. There we go. And then this other one, just get that lined up. Push that in. Lock that one down. If you can get that wire retainer, That's in place, that's good. And take the cap, line that up, and push it in place. Take the headlight assembly, just go under there, under the bracket. Push it back a little bit, and then you pull it forward, get that to line up, just like that. And put the bolts back in, get those started. Get this lined up. And before we tighten that down, we'll get the longer ones in down below. And the other one down here, you're gonna need a magnet. Just get that in place. Twist that. Now we can tighten these down. And same with this one. All right, those are tight. Take the connector, line that up. Lock it down. I'll take these screws, get these started. Now we'll tighten these down. Now the headlight adjuster is right there. You can use a Phillips head or a hex key, make your adjustments. And then you can repeat the process on the other side. Now we're gonna get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.